Let me show you something that changed the way I look at Amazon forever. Two products, same keyword, same price, same number of reviews, same star rating. One of them does 30,000 a month in revenue. The other one, 6,000 only. What's the difference? You'd think it's their ads or maybe their price or maybe they got a viral TikTok or something. Nope. It's their main image. That's it, one single image. And I'm going to show you exactly step by step what's actually happening in the image, why it works, and how you can replicate it even if you are starting from scratch. Let's get into it. Amazon is not a shopping platform. It's a scroll platform. Think about how you shop on Amazon. You search for something, result load, and then you scroll fast. You are not reading every listing. You are scanning for something that makes you stop. And here is the truth. You have around 1.5 seconds before someone scrolls past your product. Studies show users spend less than 2 seconds deciding whether to click or keep scrolling. That's barely enough time to read your title, but it's enough time to feel something about your image. Let me show you why this matters. Most Amazon listings get around 0.3% to 1.5% CTR, but top performing products, they often hit 2% to 5%. Now watch this. 10,000 impressions a month at 0.5% CTR, it's 50 clicks. And at 3% CTR, it's 300 clicks. Same product, same impression, but 6x more traffic. And if your conversion rate is 12%, 50 clicks means 6 sales, and 300 clicks means 36 sales. That's not a small improvement. That's the difference between a product that survives and one that scales. Alright, so here is the problem. Most Amazon sellers treat the main image like a checkbox. I upload a photo, done. And honestly, I get it. You spend months of sourcing, suppliers, pricing, listings, so the image feels easy. But that's the trap. So here are the 3 biggest mistakes sellers make. Mistake number 1, a white background that says nothing. Amazon wants a white background, not a boring image. Most listings use stock looking photos with no personality, no context, no reason to click. Mistake number 2, misleading product size. This kills conversion rates. Customer clicks, expect a bigger product, receive it, get disappointed, leaves a bad review. Way smaller than I expected. Here, your image created the wrong expectation. Mistake number 3, looking exactly like competitors. This happens all the time. Sellers never search their main keywords and study the results, because if you did, you'd notice your image has the same colors, same angle, same style as anyone else. And if your listing looks the same, you become invisible. And invisibility on Amazon costs money every single day. Let me nerd out for a second, because this changes how you think about your product image forever. The human brain processes image up to 60,000 times faster than text. 60,000 times. So when people scroll Amazon, they are not really thinking. They are reacting, and your image has to trigger 3 things instantly. Recognition, I know what this is. Desire, I want this. Trust, this looks legit. So if your image doesn't hit all 3 in that 1.5 second window, you lose the click. Okay, so how do you actually fix this? Here is the framework I use for Amazon main image, the CAT framework. Clarity, advantage, trust signal. Alright, so step number 1, clarity. Your image must instantly answer one question. What is this? That's it. If someone has to stare at your thumbnail for even a second to figure it out, you are already lost the click. Step number 2, advantage. Most sellers show the product. The best sellers show the outcome. For example, if you sell a portable blender, don't just show the blender. Show the smoothie inside it, show it beside a gym bag or water bottle. Show the lifestyle the customer wants. Because people aren't buying the blender, they're buying the convenience. And no, you don't need to break Amazon rules to do this. You can still use smart packaging, printed label, product arrangement, scale references, all without adding banned text overlays. Step number 3, trust signal. This is the underrated one. Trust. Before customer read reviews, they subconsciously ask, does this look legit? And your image answered that instantly. Here is what build trust: visibility, professional lighting, clean composition, consistent brand packaging, correct product angle, and no watermark or cheap looking graphics. One bad looking image can destroy your CTR even with hundreds of 5-star reviews. Because the image gets judged first. Yeah, people judge a book by its cover. That's the hard reality. Now here is where most sellers lose money. They redesign their images based on guesswork. Don't do that. Go to Seller Central and then Brand Analytics, then search Query Performance Report. Now pick your top 3 keywords. Then look at impressions, how often you appear, clicks, how often people click, and click share, the percentage of total clicks you get. And then CTR, your click-through rate. Alright, now pay attention to this. If your impressions are high, but your CTR is low, that's usually not a ranking problem, not an ad problem as well. It's an image problem. And if your click share is under 1%, that means 99 out of 100 shoppers choose someone else. And that's why throwing more money into ads won't fix it. A better image will. Alright, so here is the beautiful thing about improving your CTR. It doesn't just get you more clicks, it creates a loop. More clicks mean more sales, and then better conversion signals, and Amazon pushes you ranked higher. Higher ranking brings more impressions, and more impressions bring even more clicks. That's how products start scaling. Amazon's A9 algorithm uses sales velocity and conversion signals to help determine rankings. So your main image doesn't just affect CTR, it affects your ranking, your traffic, your entire growth engine. Let me ask you something. Have you ever actually A/B test your main image? Not guesswork, not ask a friend. Real testing with real customer data. If you have brand registry, Amazon gives you a free tool called Manage Your Experiments. You can test 2 versions of your main image and Amazon will split the traffic and show you which one performs better. This is how top sellers operate. They don't rely on opinions, they test. Because what you think looks good and what customers actually click on are often completely different things. Now let's zoom out for a second. Because your main image gets the click, but your full image stack gets the sales. Here's the structure that I suggest. Image 1, that means your main image, your click driver. So keep it clean, clear, instantly understandable. Image number 2, use lifestyle shot. Show the transformation. What does life look like with the product? Image number 3, feature callouts. Here, highlight the top benefit with quick visual icons and easy to scan info. Image number 4, size comparison. Handle size expectations before customer complain in reviews. Image number 5, how it works. Simple step-by-step infographic if your product needs explanation. Image number 6, social proof. And that's so important. Show reviews, ratings, or customer feedback visually. Image 7, brand story. Why your brand? What makes it different? Every image should answer a customer question or objection. Not random, not just pretty strategic. You can have an amazing product, great margins, great sourcing, great reviews, and still fail because nobody clicked. Your main image is not just a photo, it's your first impression, your silent salesperson, your conversion tool. Most sellers treat it like a checkbox. The best sellers treat it like one of the most important assets in their business. And that difference, it's worth a lot of money. If you want us to audit your main image and CTR data, reach out us at info@ecomclips.com. We help Amazon sellers improve listing like this every day. And if this video helped you, subscribe.